Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulida Hasanah with name 21st and 6 and 3 and 11 00 and 32. I'm from Jemis, UIN Maulana Malik Ibrahim, Malang. At this video, I will tell you about aeration and purify wastewater. Oxygen is very reactive compound. In the periodic table, oxygen is in group 6. Oxygen has a big role in human life. Not only humans, but also all layers of life need it, because it has two PeB or ion pairs of electrons. Aeration is a process of adding air or oxygen in water by bringing water and air into close contact, by spraying water into the air or water into the air, or by giving fine bubbles of air and letting it rise through the water or air into the air water. Aeration is the process of adding, touching, and contracting oxygen in water by spraying water into the air. Continued aeration lies in incoming wave and has a function for marine biota as well as for breathing and photosynthesis. Aeration is divided into two, namely artificial aeration and natural aeration. Natural aeration we can find at waves, sea, and small lake. And namely an artificial aeration. The example is aerator on aquarium. It is explained in the video that the aquarium aerator function to pump air into the aquarium when oxygen is pumped into the aquarium. It can increase the amount of dissolved oxygen. And aeration give clean environment, so the aquarium still clean and safe from the biota. Usually people assume that water get wet something, the thing will be broken. In the fact, the same thing occur in our bedroom. Many stubborn crust stick on the wall. It causes the water hit the wall. Then the water that has stuck to the wall reacts with the air, which contains oxygen, hydrogen, and other components that that cause the reaction. The the crust stick will will be stronger. The first screening is a unit operation that is applied at the beginning of wastewater treatment. Screening where here is given alum or alu filter out impurities minim sulfate. Alum in Indonesian is tawas. Screening by alum will making colloid, that repulsion between particles. Screening is a unit operation that is applied at the beginning of wastewater treatment. The purpose the purpose of this screening is to separate large materials such as paper, plastic, wood, shrimp shells, fish scales, and so on. Based on the operating technique, screening is classified into two classifications, namely manually operated screens by hand and screening which is operated automatically, screen with continuous solid separation that make colloid. Solid separation can be done mechanically or by the wastewater flow itself. Coagulation coagulation to flocculation. Besides being given alum, water management is assisted by stirring. Then the dirt will settle more. Coagulation is the process of destabilizing colloidal particles by adding a chemical compound called a coagulant. Colloids have a certain size so that the attractive forces between the particles are smaller than the repulsive forces due to electric charges. At this stable condition, particle agglomeration does not occur through the coagulation process. Destabilization occurs so that the colloidal particles unite and become large. Several factors can affect the water coagulation process, including water quality includes dissolved gas, color, turbidity, taste, odor, and hardness. The second, the amount and characteristic of colloids, degree of acidity of water or pH, fast stirring and pedal speed, water temperature, the alkalinity of the water, if it is too low at acid, characteristics of ions water. Flocculation is a slow process that moves continuously as long as the suspended particles mix in the water, so that the particles will become larger and move towards the sedimentation process. The basic idea of flocculation is to precipitate flux by adding flocculants. Clarification or sedimentation, a tool designed in such a way so that mud or dirt will collect, where this dirt will move very slowly so that the bidet is deposit. Sedimentation is a process that is widely applied for the treatment of industrial and household waste that have high suspended solid contents. Sedimentation can also be secondary treatment when used for cleaning after biological process. Filtration. Many examples of filtration, but here we use slow sand filtration, in which the impurities are passed in a sand, and the impurities are made slow. The sand serves to bind dirt, or this process is called absorption. Absorption is the capture or binding of free ions in the water by the absorbent. Examples of substances used for the adsorption process are zeolites and resin, which are polymerization of polyhydrate phenol with formaldehyde. For example, the binding of Ca2 plus and Na plus ions. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if I have many mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.